The most memorable experience by far has been the study abroad experience.
The most memorable was the international trip. My experience on the international trip was phenomenal.
I was fortunate enough to have the opportunity to spend 10 days exploring Dubai and neighboring Abu Dhabi.
We were lucky enough to immerse in an entirely different culture and really embracing and engaging with locals and meet other business leaders from that area.
The WSU study abroad trip was really the first opportunity I had to interact with my classmates on a more personal level.
I think the most value out of that trip was the bond that you make with your peers, your cohort, and meeting and networking with various other individuals. We had a wonderful kind of overall activity from the moment that we landed, and it didn't end. And I'm still living in those moments every now and then.
That was a life-changing experience.